Do you know what all these lights, buzzers, and warnings mean in your car?
Sometimes it's not what you think. It could be a simple bad sensor, or the early warning of a catastrophic engine failure.
Hesitating in hopes it might just go away can cost you thousands of dollars.
At Precision Automotive Service, we take the guesswork out of this.
If your dashboard lights up, come to Precision Automotive Service. We'll provide you with an accurate diagnosis and offer you a no-pressure repair recommendation.
You'll learn that at Precision Automotive Service. We know cars.